As I promised you in the previous video that I will show you how you can change your channel from the first email to second email, or you want to change the email ownership. So how you are going to change, this one I will show you the step by step procedure. This one a bit long procedure, but I will continue from the starting to end so you can understand how you can change your channel email from one email to second email. So how you are going to change everything you can see in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin and then see how. Now first of all, we go to the YouTube studio, click our channel YouTube, then you can see here the channel icon, click that one, go to the YouTube studio. Once we in the YouTube studio, you can see here the settings button, click the settings button. Now you can see here the permissions. The fourth option is permissions. The previous video I already show you how you can make your channel in the brand. So now it's already converted in the brand. Now we are going to change the ownership or change the email. So we just click the manage permissions. Once we click the manage permission, here is asking the account confirmation, so you confirm your account first. So once we confirm already it's our account, manage permissions, click. Now you can see here this one is there is no any other owner, or there is no any manager or whatever. So what we need to do, we need to add a person that we need to change the email, because our aim is we want to change the email for this channel. So you can see here the plus icon, invite a person. But before we continue, you need to create a fresh email, new email on your name or on your channel name, so you can invite that person to get in your ownership. So you just click here the plus icon, invite user, and then type here the email that you created, the new. I already created my new email. As you can see, this one is my new email I created. I just copy here and then paste. So this one already I created by channel name, and then you can see here the one drop down, choose a role. So click the choose a role. Now you can see here the two option, owner and manager. What we need to do, we just click the manager. So we need to do the manager for the 7 days. After that we can change the ownership of the channel. Now I choose the manager. So what we need, we just invite. So invitation already sent, then you click the done. Once you done, now you go to the new email just you created, check the Gmail. Now you can see here we already get the invitation email. If I open this one, you can see here you received an invitation for the invited Muhammad Isa invited to manage Viral Media Club. So we just accept the invitation, then click the accept. It will redirect us in the same studio. So now this email is manager on your channel. This one is fully controlled. They can upload this email can upload this email can anything, the work, editing work or whatever. This one you can do by as a manager, but we need to keep for the 7 days. After 7 days we can make it primary owner. Same like I just go again, manage permissions. Now you can see it's already a manager. So this one is the new email, this one is the already our channel. primary owner. You can see here the primary owner, and then just now we created as a manager. So after 7 days we will continue, and then we will change the ownership. We make this manager as a primary owner, and then this one we create a owner. Then after that, once it's complete the procedure, few minutes after, we can delete this email. So directly, if this one is the become primary owner, automatically this one we can easily delete or we keep. It's up to you. So we will continue back after 7 days. Okay friends, so now we are in the studio after 7 days, and then we see how. Now select the settings, then we select the permissions, number 4, then manage permissions. Click the manage permissions again, then verify our account. Verify our account from the phone. Continue again, manage permissions. Now you can see here the got drop down, and then the original is Muhammad Isa is primary owner, and then our new email is manager. So you can see here that now it's manager. If we click the drop down, you can change here the primary owner, and then click the transfer. Same like you see Muhammad Isa primary owner of the Viral Media Club, and then you can see the instructions. So if you want to continue the transfer your channel, change your email, click the transfer. Once we click it will take few seconds to transfer. Now you can see here, now Muhammad Isa is primary owner, and then the old email is owner. Old email is owner, and then you can click the done. Once you click the done, now we go to the new email. So we sign in as a new email. Now this one is our new email. Open the Gmail, then you can see here the email. Your access has changed. Muhammad Isa has made you as a primary owner of the Viral Media Club. Then you can see here the ownership. So we need to get start. We click the get start, then go to the manage permission. So for your information, this one is our new email, not the old email. So you can see here our new email is primary owner, and then second email is owner. So we just, if you want to delete the ownership, you just click the cross, so it will delete the previous email. So if you want to delete the ownership of the previous email, if you want keep continue, just keep continue. So just remove, we just click the remove, and then done. So done already. So our previous email is fully deleted from the channel, and then the new email already transferred our new channel. Now if you can see here, if we close all the things and then refresh the screen, our channel is successfully transferred to the new email, and there is no any channel. If we go to the Google, and then this one is the previous email, old email. So we go to the Gmail, and then check the Gmail. Now you can see here you are no longer the ownership of Viral Media Club. So that one is already fully transferred to the new emails. If we check the old email, now you can see here there is no channel, and then asking the sign in. So no more channel, old channel. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. Thank you.